The Minister of Legal Affairs and Attorney General Basil Williams today filed a legal proceeding in the High Court on the no-confidence motion. More in this report.
The legal document states that the applicant, in this case Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Basil Williams, is seeking determination for several questions relating to the December 21, 2018 vote in the National Assembly. It seeks to determine whether the Speaker's ruling that the motion was carried by a vote of a majority of all the elected members of the National Assembly is unlawful, null and void, being contrary to Article 106(6) of the Constitution. Whether the motion upon a division vote of 33-32 members of the National Assembly was validly passed as the requisite majority of all the elected members of the National Assembly pursuant to Article 106(6) of the Constitution. Whether the requisite majority of all the elected members of the National Assembly ought to be 34 votes. Further, it seeks to determine whether the President and all ministers of the government can remain in office as a majority vote was not duly carried in accordance with Article 106(6) of the Constitution. Whether the court can make an order setting aside or nullifying the Speaker's ruling that a motion was carried, as well as whether the court can make an order staying the enforcement of Resolution 101 declared by the Clerk of the National Assembly to have been passed on December 21, 2018 in the National Assembly. And lastly, whether the court can grant a conservatory order preserving the status quo ante that the President and all ministers of government remain in office until the hearing and determination of the questions being sought. The Attorney General cited several grounds for his application. Among them, refer or state a question of law to the High Court, especially in relation to this serious constitutional issue on the validity of a no-confidence vote pursuant to Rule 6103 of the Civil Procedure Rules 2016. The coalition government is contending that a majority of votes was not obtained to carry the December 21, 2018 vote. The full application of the case can be viewed on our website. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.